Ladies and gentlemen, 50 minutes, one great plate of food. Let's cook.
You look more nervous this round. You
I am, yeah.
Why?
Because the other one, I planned it and I knew what I was going to do. This one is like, oh, it's thrown me off a bit. But I thought what I'm going to do today is a basic tomatoey sauce with onions and garlic. I'm going to put a bit of rice in it as well. And then I'm going to char grill the corn, put that in, and then I'm going to put the crab in afterwards. You said there was too many ingredients in the other one, so I've got to make it smaller, and I'm going to do it, pack it with flavour. I'm going to go for it.
Right now, he has got a pan full of tomatoes, crab and sweet corn. I don't know where Steve's going to go with this, because it's not a very complicated dish at all.
Jazz, how did you feel when you lifted the lid?
A little bit surprised with the crab, because I obviously haven't cooked with it before, but always up for that challenge.
So what are you going to make for us?
Thai crab cakes with a mango and char-grilled sweet corn salsa. On the face of it, it might seem like a simple dish, but it's that flavour. It has to encompass the spice, the sour, you know, those kind of elements have to combine together.
Would your mum like it?
She likes everything I make.
Two minutes left. Just 2 minutes. That's it. Stop. Your time's up.
I really like the crab in that. The rice is cooked, taking up the sweet tomato mixture. There's a little bit of chili heat on the back, which is really good. I'm sort of somewhere between a paella, a kedgeree and a jambalaya.
You can just about get the crab flavour out of there. Probably a little over-seasoned. I suppose my issue with it, really, it's just that one-pot cooking that then doesn't show any other process. It's all in a pot. I like the colours. I love the look of the crab cakes. Got a crispiness on the outside of your cakes. You've got a nice bit of chili heat. You've got the bite of the onion. You've got the sweetness of crab.
I love the mango salsa. It's sweet, it's got great texture, it goes well with the crab cakes, and it's ferociously hot. And I like that a lot.
Well done, all four of you, because this is not easy.
We have just 2 MasterChef aprons to give, and those 2 cooks will be joining Amy and Sahar in the next round, which means that 2 of you, sadly, will be leaving us. The first person going through to the next round, Jasmine.
Thank you.
The second person joining Amy and Sahar is Eamon. Emily and Steve, I'm so sorry, guys. You are leaving us. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Gutted, but I've really enjoyed every minute of it. I'm devastated that I'm not going to the next round.
It's been a great experience. It's been so interesting. Today, I couldn't have done any more. It's just what it is.
Very well done.
MasterChef aprons. Congratulations.
Thank you
You're
very
through to the next round. Well done, you guys.
I can't believe it. I was honest thinking, that's it now, ravioli gate. You know, this is going to go down in MasterChef history. I'm feeling very surprised and elated at the same time.
It feels amazing to get this apron. The day has been awesome. Very happy, yes.